Well, after reaching a plea deal, a Melvina couple learns their fate after neglecting and locking their children in makeshift cages. News 8 Now's Tyler Jobe explains what happened in court today.
The bottom line is there are consequences for actions.
Today, Monroe County Judge Todd Ziegler sentenced Travis and Amy-Headrick of Melvina to 4 years in prison and 7 years of extended supervision for the neglect and false imprisonment of their own children.
None of what happened to them is fair.
I know it may not be as significant as some people wanted to see.
In August of 2018, the Headricks were arrested after being accused of locking their children in cages. According to the criminal complaint, the children, 4 of whom were adopted, were zip-tied into cages and horse troughs throughout their home. Some of the children were in diapers.
This is something that is going to change, has changed their lives forever.
The couple was originally accused of 9 charges, including second-degree recklessly endangering safety and felony child abuse. But 6 of them were tossed out after the couple reached a plea deal back in February.
There were several factors in the case, and I think the court did a very good job of considering all of those factors.
News 8 Now has been reporting that there have been as many as 20 allegations of child neglect, recklessly endangering safety, and false imprisonment against the Headricks going back more than 10 years.
This is extremely serious. It's horrible, despicable.
Defense attorney said during the hearing the couple stayed employed and did community service since being charged, and even asked they be sentenced to probation.
I don't typically see all these positive things that someone does after being charged.
But Ziegler says what happened 2 years ago is no excuse.
Good people don't engage in this type of behavior.
The Headricks acknowledged what they did was wrong.
I did things that weren't right, and I affected a lot of people by doing those. And to those people, I would like to say I'm sorry.
I made a really bad choice, and I'm sorry.
In Sparta, Tyler Jobe, News 8 Now.
In addition to going to prison, the judge also ruled the Headricks will have to pay restitution, although the amount still has to be set. The Headricks are also not allowed to come into contact with any of the victims.